Genu, Jency, Tony. Oh, sounds like three names. How to know market is bullish or bearish in coming days? Because during these COVID times, market is going up. I thought it will go down in April and May. When investing in market for ordinary folks like us, stop thinking, make your plan and make your plan and make your plan work. Work on that continually. Don't get distracted. Nobody knows. We couldn't anticipate the crisis. We could not anticipate the virus, definitely. And we don't know how bad it can get. We don't know how big a surprise the market can give. Market can stop going up or can linger. The three things that can happen to market at any stage. It can keep going, it can go up, it can go down, or it can go nowhere. And if you are faced with this situation, what can you do about it? I think the only thing you can do about it is make sure that you don't need the money for a couple of years. So that's the first rule number one. But at the same time, we should have a belief that beyond a point it will go up, and that it always does, and it certainly will do. And it's a general bet on economy. That is a belief I have. I'm an eternal optimist. But about the precise time frame, 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, 1.5 years, I don't know. It's very difficult to anticipate. So, and it's not worth doing it. So let's do some simple things. Money that you need in immediate term, keep it in fixed income. Be averse to any risk. And money which you don't need, start your SIP. If you have lump sum money, spread it over a period of time. And stop thinking about what is going to happen in the market. If at all you have some great temptation to benefit from some big moves in the market, maybe keep your 10% money, 10% of your money, whatever be the amount, scale of money investment, 10% of your money, and frame that rule that if the market goes down by 20%, you will invest half of it. If the market goes down by 30%, you will invest the remaining money. Because the problem of trying to time the market is that when the market goes down by 20%, you will keep waiting for it to go down further, and then it will suddenly make a comeback, and then you'll say that you will start waiting for it forever. We will keep waiting for the opportune time, and that is the biggest risk, and you will never invest. So I will say that for dominant part of your money, 60%, 75%, 80%, 90% of your money should be on an auto plan, automated. Very hard to guess the market. And a small part of your money, 10%, 20%, 25%, feel happy about it. Keep it in cash, keep it in a fixed income fund. Frame your rule. Market goes down, this is the day you will not look, you will blindly invest. If it goes down by 10%, but 10% from which level? Because if you wait for that 10%, because when the market is going down, market always has a very erratic behavior. Market goes up gradually, steadily. And when it comes down dramatically. Someday it will come down by 3%, another day it will come down by 4%. All the big correction, all the big declines happens in a very brief period of time, while most of the gains happen steadily over a period of time. So you don't know when the market rises, but you really know when it crashes. Have your rule, frame that. Otherwise, put all your money on a SIP, automate it. You will be on to some plan.